Good morning students. Welcome to your e-learning class again. Today we will start a new lesson, animals and their varying lifestyles. Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, we will be able to understand what adaptations are, comprehend adaptation possessed by animals for breathing, feeding and movement. At the last, recognize the different reasons for migration among animals. Now साइंस वोकेबलरी. फर्स्ट वर्ड इज इनहेल. ब्रीथ इन एयर. जब हम सांस लेते हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड इनहेल. सेकेंड वर्ड इज एक्सहेल. ब्रीथ आउट एयर. जब हम सांस छोड़ते हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्सहेल. थर्ड वर्ड इज प्रीडेटर. एनिमल विच किल्स एंड ईट्स अदर एनिमल्स. जो एनिमल दूसरे एनिमल्स को मारकर खाते हैं दे आर कॉल्ड प्रीडेटर. नाउ फोर्थ वर्ड इज प्रे. एनिमल विच इज किल्ड एंड ईटन बाय अदर एनिमल्स. जो एनिमल दूसरे एनिमल्स के द्वारा मारकर खाए जाते हैं दे आर कॉल्ड प्रे. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, लायन ईट्स डियर. सो लायन इज कॉल्ड अ प्रीडेटर एंड डियर इज कॉल्ड अ प्रे. नाउ फिफ्थ वर्ड इज कैमोफ्लेज. एबिलिटी टू blend with the surroundings. You can see the picture of grasshopper in the video. It is not easy to locate a green grasshopper on green grass. Now, adaptations in animals. We find living things, both plants and animals, all around us. The place where an animal lives is called its habitat. कोई भी एनिमल जहां वो रहता है वो उसका हैबिटेट होता है. Animals are found in water, in air and also on land, even on snow and under deep ocean. So all these are habitats. Now, animals develop some special features which help them to get food, breathe, and to protect themselves from heat, cold, and predators. These special features and skills are called adaptations. It means that they have special ability to adjust in environment. Let us learn more about adaptation in animals. In spite of all these variations, animals have three basic functions. One is breathing, second is feeding, third is movement. Now, first one is adaptations for breathing. All animals need oxygen to stay alive. They take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. For the gaseous exchange, most animals have some special organs called breathing organs like lungs, gills, skin and trachea. Depending on the breathing organ, animals can be classified into land animals, aquatic animals, amphibians, insects and microbes. Land animals are those animals which live on land. Aquatic animals are those animals which live in water. Amphibians are those animals which can live both on land as well as in water. Now, land animals like horses, dogs, lions, etc. and human beings have lungs for breathing. They take in oxygen during inhalation and release carbon dioxide during exhalation. It means that जब वो सांस लेते हैं, इनहेल करते हैं तो उस टाइम पे ऑक्सीजन अंदर जाती है और जब वो सांस छोड़ते हैं दैट मीन्स एक्सहेल करते हैं तो उस टाइम पे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बाहर आती है. नाउ एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स, दीज आर दोज एनिमल विच लिव इन वाटर. Aquatic animals like fish breathe through their gills because they have gills to live in water. Gills consist of a stack of thin flaps which have rich supply of blood vessel. So that's why they can breathe in water. They take oxygen which is dissolved in water and pass it to the blood. Then carbon dioxide from the blood release into the water with the help of gills. और यू कैन से दैट कि एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स जो वाटर में डिजॉल्व ऑक्सीजन होती है उसको इनहेल करते हैं. Now, amphibians like frogs and toads. They can breathe through their lungs when on land and breathe through their skin when in water. So you can say that कि एम्फीबियंस की स्पेशल क्वालिटी है कि वो लैंड पर भी रह सकते हैं और वाटर में भी रह सकते हैं, क्योंकि जब वो लैंड पर होते हैं तो वो लंग से ब्रीथ करते हैं और जब वो वाटर में होते हैं तब वो स्किन से ब्रीथ करते हैं. नाउ नॉलेज डेस्क. ऑल एम्फीबियंस, lizards and birds also have lungs for breathing. और you can say that amphibians, lizard and birds जो हैं वो लंग से ब्रीथ करते हैं. Now insects breathe through trachea like cockroach, grasshopper and bee. They have small air holes called spiracles on the sides of their abdomen. Is spiracle connected to trachea? Trachea supply oxygen to the each part of the body. You can understand it with the help of flowchart. Oxygen from air is taken by trachea with the help of spiracle. Then trachea deliver it to the body tissue. Then body tissue release carbon dioxide which is taken by trachea. Then trachea release carbon dioxide in the air with the help of spiracle. Now microbes. Microbes like bacteria, amoeba and paramecium, they are single celled organisms. You can see the picture of these single celled organisms. They do not have breathing organ. Oxygen enters through their body surface and carbon dioxide comes out the same way through their body surface. So we can say that microbes breathe through their body surface. Thank you and have a nice day.